All right, this is the 7-hour wash cycle on my Whirlpool dishwasher. I'm going to use the 7-hour cycle to wash these dishes, which are really cruddy. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working with right here. Right here is from a KitchenAid. You see it's crusted on dough right here. It's very crusted on here. Let me get some excess off and just throw it off here. It's crusted on pretty hard, pretty tough. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that in there. That's just the first piece, but I also have other pieces. Now look at this right here. I have other pieces that I'm going to be washing. Right here is the mixing bowl for the KitchenAid. As you can see right here, there's dough all inside of that. I'm going to go ahead and place this inside of it. It's pretty crusted, pretty nasty. Another thing that I have up here is crusted yogurt in here. All right, crusted yogurt. Looks like there's some peanut butter in here. So a lot of nastiness going on. I'm going to place that on the top shelf. And then right here, I have a pot right here. It's a French pot right here. It has looks like bean crusted on here, like beans were cooked in here. And it's all crusted on the sides. I'm going to go ahead and place this inside of there. And then I have a pan right here. All right, it looks like some mushroom dish was in here. I'm going to toss the mushroom in the sink right there. It's crusted in here. I'm going to go ahead and place this on here. So my only concerns with this is I think that most of the dishes will get clean. I'm kind of concerned about the, I'm going to go ahead and put this in here and shut it. Concerned about the bean crusted pot. I wonder if this is going to get out, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. That is the Cascade platinum pot in here. And then I'm going to get up here and I'm going to select my cycle. All right, as you can see right here, there's a lot of controls right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm select the cycle. I'm going to go to not sensor, not heavy, not 1 hour wash, but the soak and clean, which is 7 hours and 20 minutes. All right. Sandy rinse, that's not an option, but the high temp wash is. I'm going to select that and heat dry. That's selected. All right. And then I am going to go start to resume. All right. Let me go ahead and press that and close it and see what happens in 7 hours. All right, the 7-hour cycle is done. It's time to go in and see what happened. All right, so let me go ahead and open up the dishwasher. As you can see right there, it says that it is clean. All right, let's go ahead and check out the top, okay? Remember the crud left on the KitchenAid? Well, after 7 hours, there's actually some stuff still on there. Kind of disappointed right there. I wish that would have come off. I mean, I know there was a lot of caked on stuff on there, but I kind of wish that this was taken off. I mean, one option maybe is to put this on the lower rack and maybe that'll get clean, but I was afraid that this hook might get drawn down into the propeller. All right, remember that glass with the caked on yogurt, that came clean. And my guess is that the spray that reaches the top, only goes so much. Where the things at the bottom, they probably get hit a little bit more because the spray water comes down as well as coming from the top. All right, so that was the top. Now let's look at the bottom. All right, remember the pan. All right, the pan came clean. There's a little bit of stuff on there that was caked on before. I think that's grease. I'm gonna have to use the Brillo pad to get that up. All right, let's check out the pot, okay? The pot, okay, after 7-hour cleaning, it actually is going to require a little bit of scrubbing. Now, with the caked on stuff, all right, like this, very disappointed with this. After 7 hours, this should not be like that. Very disappointed with that. All right, now, remember the bowl? Let's check out the bowl. Now, the bowl, however, came completely clean, okay? All of that came off the stainless steel, all right? So it, results are very disappointing after 7 hours of soak and clean. Some things came clean, but a lot of the stuff right here did not, all right? Now, that's what it is. That's what happened. I'm wondering if I would have used the heated wash with the sandy rinse. That, for some reason, gets rid of a lot of the crud. I'm going to actually do another test with the crud to see if I can get that off later on next time I get cruddy dishes. All right, so the 7-hour wash test is a complete failure. Well, not a complete failure, but it is a complete failure because after 7 hours, you expect not to be seeing stuff like this coming off of the pots and pans. Well, anyway, that was my test. Let me know if you have any comment. Just leave a comment down in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching.